feet are actually tied to the bedpost for 10 days in hospital because the bleeding was so much in my second trimester. Post my first child, I had to go through a miscarriage. I didn't know where was I going wrong. But there is a far more deeper problem to be resolved. They don't know where to reach out to. Most of the men, they don't take female bosses so seriously because probably they are not used to taking orders from a woman in their family. Every girl, small girl, woman, please don't give up.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Unlayering. Today we unlayer Monica Bindra, who is the CEO and founder of Leica. She is fierce, powerful, and persistent. I am so excited for all young entrepreneurs to watch this episode. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm so grateful that you're here and I'm so inspired by your journey. I know you from a long, long time ago, but every time I meet you, I learn something new. I want you to tell me a little bit more about yourself, me and the audience.
Of course, and thank you so much, Ashna, for such sweet words. And thank you so much for inviting me today here. My journey, I was born in Delhi. I went to BITS Pilani and did my chemical engineering and masters in physics. After passing out, I got married and moved to Jakarta with my husband, and of course had two lovely, beautiful kids there. And once when we came back to India, that was around 2007. The whole family moved back to India. Post that, I've been enjoying my entrepreneurial journey, and touch wood, I'm very blessed and I'm very grateful to God to give me a lovely life.
I would like for you to touch upon what happened when you came back to India. Tell me more about that journey.
So, actually, I would kind of rephrase your question if you don't mind. Maybe I would like to say that what eventually gave birth to Laika, because that is what my journey is all about after I came back to India. So, see, personally, I had always had period rashes from sanitary napkins. But when I saw my daughter coming at that stage and she had to go through the same problem, that was the time that took me back as to my childhood. And I thought, like, now I couldn't help myself at that time, but let me help my daughter now. So that was a moving point for me. Right from the beginning, I had something very deep, what would I say, passion inside me to do something meaningful for girls and women, and do something which can actually impact their lives. So it's just so happened, like, I had that always that passion at the back of my mind. And then when my daughter started her periods and had terrible period rashes, it I firmed up my mind, I have to do something about it. I wanted to actually, dive deeper into this. I gathered lots of insights from the market. I did lots of surveys, and I was shocked to know that such a large number of women actually have period rashes and go through so much of discomfort during periods. But the sad part is that, periods still being a taboo in our country. I mean, we can't say it's only a taboo in villages. Even I would say in modern cities also, they are not very open to their friends, family, and especially when male members are around in the family, to talk openly about it. And at times they are just quiet and they just deal with their problems. So I thought, it's time to bring change. And what's better than, be the change maker. So I wanted to actually, bring out the most comfortable menstrual products for women, which could make their journey very easy.
I think it's one of the best products, hands
Thank
down,
you.
because it's so comfortable and it just makes the journey easier.
Thank you so much, Ashna.
You know, it's amazing. It's a fab job that you have done. I'm a
I took
fan.
years
And
to find the right product because it was very important that the product has the least plastics in it and is eco-friendly and is skin friendly and has breathability, and it is like not causing rashes. To be able to ensure to give a best product and the right product, of course, it took a lot of R&D and hard work. But you know as I mean, what the final outcome is, it's like, what could I ask for more?
when you saw your daughter, it took you back to your
Yes.
time. I want to actually know that because maybe that could just be the source
Sure.
of it all.
So I'll tell you my personal health struggles that I went through. When I was a teenager, I had severe pain during my periods each month, and I had to take a painkiller every month. And I had to be in bed and not go to school because I couldn't even get up from the bed. And I was told that this is very common. All girls, most of the girls go through this, and everybody in the family also is going through it. So, nothing of much concern. When I got married and was pregnant, I had profuse bleeding in my pregnancies. It came to a point where my feet are actually tied to the bedpost for 10 days in hospital because the bleeding was so much in my second trimester. And I was told that, we have to be very careful at this time. Post my first child, I had to go through a miscarriage, which was again emotionally a big hit on me. Moving on, after my second child, I had again hordes of issues coming up like severe constipation, severe headaches, hypothyroid, joint pains, hair fall. I mean, I didn't know where was I going wrong. And so after coming to India, and actually what I realized was that great, I have launched this menstrual products brand, but there is a far more deeper problem to be resolved. It doesn't end there. That was just the beginning. So the deeper problem is, at that time when I was struggling, that I wish someone can understand me and coach me that, what is happening with my life. I had to actually run to different specialities of doctors. I went to a gynecologist, a GP, endocrinologist, and they gave me medicines at that time, and just to relieve my current issues and symptoms, but no one actually interconnected all the dots and get to the root cause and try to give me a holistic solution. Because me as a person, I try to, like, heal myself holistically. Maybe and less on medications. I prefer less medicines because of the side effects it creates. So now I am very happy and proud to say that for the past 2 years, we Halaika has been actually building something in this direction, and hopefully in the next 2 months we'll be unveiling what we have created.
I want to know a little bit more about Leica. What you plan on doing? What's the research that you have
Sure.
done?
So let me unveil it to you now.
Yes.
As I said, after launching the menstrual products, um, I was more, passionate on getting into something which is looking at women wellness. So we launched a period tracker, which was called Period Pal, and you'll be amazed to know that all we did in that was that please feel free to ask us any question, and we got almost 100,000 downloads and 25,000 active users reaching out to us asking personal problems related to intimacy, periods, and I mean, they need a buddy. I can say someone to talk to, because they don't know where to reach out to for lots of private questions where they would like to be answered anonymously. I would say, looking into that, it gave me another push to create something which will lead to the holistic wellness of a woman and make her more self empowered to know her bodies better, to understand what is going inside with her. And what happens is our behavior, our mood, how are we going to react? You know, how is our body feeling today physically? How are we feeling mentally, emotionally? Um, how are we going to behave? Whether it is a sexual drive, whether it's a mood swings, whatever you name it, they are all related to our hormones. And if you can actually, go in a menstrual phase synced cycle and feed your body with the right diet at that time, with your fitness regime as per your body requirement, that is what will lead to your balanced hormones. Once you have balanced hormones inside your body, it will lead to a healthier you. And that is the wellness platform that Laika is all coming out with. So it's a all AI backed platform which gives you very precise recommendations. So when we look at you, we actually gather all your history, map it, and then start giving you very personalized wellness solutions.
So I had PCO when I was diagnosed when I was 17 or 18. So I went and she put me on birth controls. I remember at 18 years of age, my gynecologist said that it's never going to get cured. Uh, she might not be able to have a child. Telling that to my mother, she can never have sugar, she can never have carbs, and the only way is birth control and make lifestyle modifications. Hopefully, it should go in 7, 8, 10 years. And I remember like and I'm like in 10th grade and someone's telling you that you can't conceive. It wasn't a big deal for me because मुझे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but I remember my mom was like quiet for 2, 3 days because we didn't know. So how do you think that if let's say a 30-year-old girl, like someone like me, figures out that her periods are not happening properly, she has acne suddenly, mood swings maybe, how can Laika help?
Definitely. And I'm really like, feel very compassionate towards what happened with you. Now, like in your case, as you rightly said, the doctor said with the lifestyle modifications, most of these diseases or symptoms, or you can say imbalances in the body, they can be cured. And but what exactly is the regime for you? That is very important. So let me give you an example of if you would come to Laika, we will first map your body type, your lifestyle, your sleep, your physical activity, your diet, your menstrual history. We will be scanning you, through all of these questions. And once we have your data, the entire data is fed to the engine. And of course, as I said earlier, we are not going to replace the human power. That emotional touch, that compassion cannot come from any machine or a system. So these doctors will speak to you one on one, create your lifestyle, help you out to make changes, small changes to big changes, whatever is possible for you. There'll be a dedicated wellness coach and a buddy for you who will be available 24 by 7, chat with you. You have any problem, any other concern, it will be like a one stop place where you should just think of going to Laika and they and be peaceful.
Yeah, and from what I'm able to understand, that the root cause of all of this is hormonal imbalance.
So I would say hormone imbalance, if it is cured, I mean, if you are in a state of your hormones are balanced, it can resolve many of your issues. Example, if it is your, let's say, weight issues, your skin issues, I mean, acne is also a part of skin issue, your hair issues, your sleep, your mental state of mind, your moods, your anxiety, all these things can actually be taken care if your hormones are in balance. You need to be in harmony with your own body.
Because I know that you have raised funding, or you're in the process of raising funding for Laika, and I don't plan on raising funding, but I know like at some point I had this thought कि कर कैसे करते हैं. So I want to know a little bit about the process, and any experience you want to share, like what has been your experience working with, because I know investors are mostly men.
Yes.
How does that work out?
You're very right. Investors are mostly men. And in fact, like, it's unfortunate here that they actually favor only men led startups. And but there are a handful of sweet investors who do believe in women entrepreneurs. And yes, I have been like, keeping my fingers crossed. I haven't yet cracked it, but I am pitching to a lot of investors now because for the past 5 years this has been a bootstrap journey, and now it's time that we start looking for investments, because when you need big marketing budgets, you need to grow big, you need to spend way too much. So it's important, like, that there are some investor who sees this potential of this, where we are heading to. And hopefully, if God is kind, I'll be able to give you some good news soon.
Sometimes you feel stuck. as an entrepreneur, when you have to start your own company. And honestly, I like hiring girls because I just know that they get it. And I also understand their problems. If they want a day off, if they want 2, 3 days off, it's completely fine. But have you faced these challenges where you have had a few men in your team? How is that dynamic?
By and large, I'm not labeling all men here, but
Yeah,
most of the men, they don't take female bosses so seriously, because probably they are not used to taking orders from a woman in their family. But I think we are smart enough to let them know that who the boss is. And
yeah.
but touch wood, I have got good team, and we have both men and women. And as you said, we are definitely more compassionate towards women because we understand that they have that certain days in a month where they need that leave time and they will not be doing well, or we have to give them benefit of doubt on their mood swings. So
Yeah.
we do understand that. See, doing business on your own is never easy, at whatever scale you are, right? When you start from scratch also, it's never easy, and at whatever scale you arrive in life, it's never going to be easy, because problems will come no matter what stage you are at. But as I said earlier, if you are a go-getter, and if you have that mindset in you, that problems will come, yeah, but I have to just move on. I have to find a quick solution and move on. Believe me, when you sleep over a problem, when you think through it, you will automatically, your gut feel tells you what is the right solution, and just follow your gut, because that conviction inside you, and listen to your inner soul, and that will always guide you right.
And you said something really, something that resonates with me, because I do feel like if your gut thinks it's the right decision, take it. It's okay. It's just, it's going to
Yeah.
work out. And, but I also want to know, is there something that you specifically want to say for women who are sort of thinking of working after having kids? Let's say if they've had a pause for I think even
And
you did, right? You
yes,
had some
yes,
pause
when the
getting back to
right. So
work.
when my kids were very young, of course, I wanted to enjoy the motherhood and give them their due time. But I would say it's never too late. Even if you have paused your career for a while, it's okay, because that's your choice and you're happy with your choice. See, whatever decision you take, there's nothing right or wrong in this world. It's your choices that you make, and you should be happy with your choices. Because if I'm happy to pause my career for a while, it's fantastic, right? I will never regret about it. So there should be no regrets in life. You keep dreaming all your life. If you ever get a chance to realize your dreams, just do it. Don't think it's too late. It's never too late.
I agree. It actually is never too late.
There's no other choice but to be optimistic, keep going, and stay happy on a daily basis, because it's very, very important to be happy.
Hmm. This is so lovely. So I have one observation which I want to actually end with, but I want to ask you before that, what do you think is your personality trait that has actually worked for you?
The ability to cut through the noise and just keep your focus on where you want to arrive at. I think that is something that I remind myself on a daily basis, because daily there will be so many things that will come up. But if you know your priorities right, what is to be achieved by the end of the day today, that's it. Just take each day as it comes. They say, right, in our Bhagavad Gita, Karmanya Vadhika Raste Mahaphaleshu Kadachanan. Just focus on your hard work and don't worry for where you arrive and what the fruits would be.
How nice. I wanted to end at that, but I have one more thing I want to
Sure.
ask you, because this
I'm
is getting
enjoying this
very
as well.
interesting. Because you mentioned the Bhagavad Gita and you said that, I leave it on God. I will do my bit. I will work so hard, but at the end of the day, I surrender. So I can feel that you're very spiritual, and I feel like people who are very spiritual, it doesn't necessarily mean कि आप जाके you are praying. Of course, you can do that. That's a part of it. But in your breath, you don't give up. You try every day and you surrender. It's something that happens parallelly. I want to know a little bit more about your spiritual side.
Actually, God for me is like my dearest friend. I would put it that way. So you just say everything that you want to say, that I did this, but rest is up to you. And there, there are so many times in your life when you're actually standing at a juncture and you really don't know कि you have to go this way कि वहाँ दाएं जाऊं कि बाएं जाऊं. And that time you wish कोई तो बता दे आगे कि सही रास्ता क्या होने वाला है. So that time never again say or pray that give me this. I always say do what is good for me.
And for people, if God is a friend, they're not scared of God. So they don't constantly, they're never asking for anything because they want to share their life with God. Whatever is it, good, bad, we did
Exactly.
it together.
Yes.
That's amazing.
See, when I go to bed, Ashna, I always want that you know, the person who is in the mirror, that person is proud of this person. That is all is my philosophy. That whatever you do in your life, the person in the mirror should never tell you that you've done something wrong today. And if, God forbid, I mean, if it has happened by mistake, because sometimes we are, you know, not always in the same sanity, then the best thing is to immediately apologize. Because क्या ही हो जाएगा, and I believe the one who says sorry या थोड़ा अगर आप झुक जाते हो, actually it is your greatness. So just say sorry and move on, and उस दिन का बैलेंस उसी दिन खत्म करो और नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट करो.
This is something that I realized today. I've met you a few times before. That you are so positive that maybe right from childhood you've only attracted positivity. Do you believe that we attract who we
Yes,
are?
absolutely. If we will keep brooding about
Yeah,
things that are not happening,
yeah.
they will keep continuing. But if you start saying, I'm grateful for this today, I'm grateful for this today, and you write a journal and actually you say it out, the universe is listening. So, जब आप अगर वही चीज जो आप सृष्टि में डालोगे, वही आप अपना एक्चुअली डेस्टिनी वही क्रिएट कर रहे हो. सो जो आप चाहते हो योर ड्रीम्स टू बी फुलफिल्ड, start visualizing them today, start believing them today, and then see, how that positive things come to you.
Do you feel the girl that you were when you were young? You have made her proud. Like, did you have, as a girl, did you have big dreams?
Yes, I
To
always wanted to do something out of the box. When I was a kid and I was told to become lecturer, because that is what the girls should be doing, because that those careers are easily handled post weddings. I put my foot down and I told my dad, I want to be an engineer. And he told me, but girls, why do you, they don't become engineers, they are become doctors or they become teachers or lecturers. I said, but I don't want to do what normal girls do. I want to do something different because, and that is who I have been right from my childhood.
how lovely is that? And I can see so much innate positivity, जो मुझे तो उसका source समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. I feel like you're blessed with it.
You're too kind, Ashna.
No, I'm not because I always observe. I feel like people who have gone through tough times, no, I understand the process. Ki, acha, something bad happened, then they taught themselves positivity, and now they're able to do life again in a much better way. The performance has enhanced, they are better human beings, they're grateful. Like someone, long ago told me कि भगवान के पास इंसान तब जाता है जब वो दुखी होता है. खुश इंसान भगवान के पास यूजुअली नहीं जाता क्योंकि उसको किसी चीज की कमी ही नहीं
No,
लगती.
I'm not like that.
Yes, and it's very unique that you're
No,
not
as
like that.
said,
It's
for me, God means He's my closest buddy. At the end
yeah.
of each day, I tell him कि आज मैंने ये किया, और अगर आपको लगता है कि ये मैंने सही किया तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि मैंने अच्छा किया तो प्लीज मेरा ध्यान रख लेना. So it's like, a very friendly relationship. और मुझे पता है nothing will happen wrong because that that your best buddy is always there with you.
I've learned so much about manifestation from you today just after this conversation because it's very automatic. It's like on autopilot in your mind. Matlab it's happening.
I'll just give you a small example.
Yeah.
It has happened with me many times now. uh, like, I'm actually not used to wearing high heels, but sometimes in the parties you end wearing them. So I was wearing high heels and I was walking on a road which was not a very straight road. It had little ups and downs, and it has happened that thrice, four times I was about to have a bad fall, and I felt someone came and made me stand up. And in my mind, I've already fallen, but someone supported me and I'm all fine. So that tells me there is some blessings. Maybe it's my dad in the, in the clouds and in heaven, who's actually helping me out, or whosoever, or it is the ultimate power. But I feel there's always a support who's taking care of you. So when you have that kind of support, फिर किस बात का डरना? जो होगा देखा जाएगा, अच्छा ही होगा.
ऐसी स्माइल के साथ तो अच्छा ही होगा. Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for coming.
much.
I'm so grateful, and I think I've learned so much about manifestation and attraction just by being your best version, at least in your mind, and then attracting all of it effortlessly.
And I'm truly happy and enjoyed this so much today. I have probably never discussed this with anyone ever.
I'm
Because
glad
no
that
one has
this
asked
happened.
me कि आप किस गॉड को बिलीव करते हो और कैसे करते हो. But I think बस that is the way. And actually, I really, really want once this message to everyone out there, every girl, small girl, woman, every any age the woman is, please don't give up, because कुछ ना कुछ तो नया ट्राई कर ही सकते हैं. Of course, I understand, like, it takes too much of funds. When businesses have to sustain themselves, it's not easy. But if it is possible for you, if one thing is not working, try another thing, try a third thing, but don't give up easily. Because हार्ड वर्क, जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो क्या आग में जल के सोना खरा बनता है. आई थिंक if you're struggling more, that is because ultimately you will be created as something really valuable and something very unique. So believe in that.
Yes, I have seen it's happened. So of course we are believing in that.
Oh,
Thank you so much for
thank you
your
so
time.
much,
Thank
Ashna.
you.
This was lovely. Thank you for having me.